The heavens proclaim the glory of God, and the firmament announces the work of his hands. One day transmits the word to another day, and one night to another night declares his wisdom. Without speaking, without uttering words, without their voice being heard, their echo resounds through all the earth, and their message to the ends of the world. There he set up a tent for the sun, and like a bridegroom coming out of his chamber, rejoices like an athlete running his race. It rises from one end of the heavens, its orbit reaches the other end, and there is nothing that escapes its heat. The Lord of the Lord is perfect. It is a remedy for the soul. The precepts of the Lord are true. They give wisdom to the humble. The ordinances of the Lord are upright. They gladden the heart. The commandments of the Lord are clear, and are light for the eyes. The word of the Lord is pure, it endures forever. The judgments of the Lord are truth, entirely righteous. They are more precious than gold, sweeter than honey. They are worth more than heaps of fine gold, more than the juice of the honeycomb. They also instruct me, observing them is very profitable. But who perceives their own errors? Cleanse me from laws that escape me. Keep your servant also from pride, so that it does not rule over me. Thus I shall be perfect and clear of great sins. May the words of my mouth be pleasing to you, and my thoughts reach you, oh Lord, my rod and my